Hi, this V.Z Pro 3 channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to reset algorithm on Instagram. Feeling like your Instagram feed is no longer showing the kind of content you actually enjoy? Maybe you're seeing too many random posts or getting too little engagement. The good news is, you can reset or retrain the Instagram algorithm to better understand your interests. While there isn't a direct reset button, there are several smart steps you can take to refresh your Instagram experience. First, clear your search history. Start by opening the Instagram app and going to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner and select your activity. Then scroll down and tap on recent searches. From here, you can see what you've searched for in the past. Tap Clear All in the top right to wipe the history clean. This helps Instagram stop suggesting similar accounts or hashtags based on your past searches. Step 2. Unfollow accounts you're not interested in. Still following people or pages you no longer care about? Go to your profile, tap Following, and scroll through the list. Unfollow any account that doesn't reflect your current interests. The more relevant the accounts you follow, the better Instagram can tailor your content. Step 3. Mute or restrict unwanted content. If you don't want to fully unfollow someone, you can mute their posts and stories. Just go to their profile, tap Following, and choose Mute, then disable their posts or stories. This helps refine your feed without awkward unfollow. Step 4. Use the Not Interested option. When scrolling through your Explore page or Reels, you might see posts that don't match your vibe. Tap the three dots on any post and select Not Interested. This signals Instagram to show you fewer posts like that. Step 5. Engage with what you like. Spend more time liking, commenting, sharing, or saving the type of content you actually enjoy. Whether it's travel, fashion, tech, or pets, your interactions tell Instagram what you want to see more of. Step 6. Review suggested content preferences. Go into your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, and then scroll down to find Content Preferences. Tap it, and tap Reset Suggested Content. You can click Next and click Reset Suggested Content. Then click Reset Suggested Content one more time. And now your algorithm has been reset. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tips like this. Drop a comment if you have any questions or need help with something else on Instagram.